We do that.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what else you like. We'll just get the stuff on there later.
Yo. You right?
You guys recording?
Yeah, okay, freestyle.
Yeah. AD in this. Got my boy DB in this. Got my girl Cherrelle in this. TCP royalty. Hey, well let me go shoot the shot. Go hit the 3. Ask anybody on the block and you'll see. Ain't a nigga alive that's fucking with me on the level you can't never stand. Nigga, you don't understand. Smack a nigga with my right hand, left uppercut. You niggas stuck. That's why you niggas mad at me, because I'm living plush. And you looking at your life like, damn, this shit sucks. What you want me to do? Toss a couple bucks? Nah, nigga, yucks, don't touch me. Niggas better not, cause I'm hot and I'll burn them like a motherfucking ST. Put a D at the end, put an A at the front. That's my name, bitch, and you better ever mess it up, or you get your ass messed up. What up? Yeah, ad-libbing at the end. See you later, that's the end. Hold on, keep going. I don't know how we doing it. Is it like...
That was hard.
I go and I stop and then you go. Is it like that?
I mean, shoot, I'm gonna give him a try.